Hello kids, today we are learn A to Z bird's name. A for Albatross, Albatross, Albatross. B for Blue Jay, Bluejay, Blue Jay. C for Crow, Crow, Crow. D for Dove, Dove, Dove. E for Eagle, Eagle, Eagle. F for Flamingo, Flamingo, Flamingo. G for Grouse, Grouse, Grouse. H for Hummingbird, Hummingbird, Hummingbird. I for Ibis, Ibis, Ibis. J for Jacana, Jacana, Jacana. K for Kingfisher, Kingfisher, Kingfisher. L for Linnet, Linnet, Linnet. M for Macaw, Macaw, Macaw. N for Nightingale, Nightingale, Nightingale. O for Ostrich, Ostrich. P for Peacock, Peacock, Peacock. Q for Quail, Quail, Quail. R for Razorbill, Razorbill, Razorbill. For Seagull, Seagull, Seagull. T for Turkey, Turkey, Turkey. U for Umbrella Bird, Umbrella, Umbrella Bird. V for Vulture, Vulture, Vulture. W for Waxbill. 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 X for Xenops. 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 Y for Yuhina. 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 Z for Zazu. 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 If you like my video, then like and subscribe my channel. Follow for more.